everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline, and in this video I'm going to be talking about kind of my meal prep and how I get my food, my meals, my snacks ready for the week. It's not like a typical meal prep that I do because I find when I eat the same foods over and over again, that's one of the triggers in my eating disorder, where it's the same. If you do chicken, potato, salad and put it in the containers and put it in the fridge ready to go, it kind of triggers something in me and then I don't want to eat even though it tastes good. It just is something that does not work for me. So I've been doing WW now for a few months, and I found this new way of kind of meal prepping and having everything ready without kind of having the same meals over and over again. But it's really only like you're cooking once still, which is amazing. So I'm going to take you in, kind of show you my journal. I have a food journal where I write my meals for the week and kind of a list of snacks that I'm wanting, and then a grocery list. So it really does add to helping with like the cost of your groceries and only buying what you need for that week, so you don't have all this extra food or vegetables or fruits that go bad, but really kind of having it organized and planned so you are able to eat your snacks and have your food ready to go, so you're not cooking all the time. Because I don't know about you, but ever since I've started really cooking all of my meals, it's been a lot better, but it's also adds time and dishes. Oh my God, the dishes. There are so many dishes now. But definitely I wanted to share kind of my tips and tricks on how to meal prep so you have enough food for the week, so when you're ready to eat and you're hungry, you're good to go, but it's also not repeating the same meals over and over again. So I'm going to bring you in a close-up of my journal and then kind of talk you through it. So here is what my journal looks like. On one side, you can say I have meals, and on the other side, it says grocery list. And the reason I like doing this is because I write down all my meals, Monday through Friday, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And then I can go through this list and create the grocery list. So it makes it a lot easier to be able to only buy and purchase what you actually need for the week. So it helps eliminate some of that food waste. Because we've all been there. We buy fruits and veggies in hopes that we'll eat it, and then there they sit and then they end up in the garbage. So I found this way really helps prevent that from happening, because I'm buying exactly what I feel like, what I want, and what's going to last me for the week. Especially so we can only make one grocery trip. So I'm going to take you quickly through this. So what I do is I make a big thing usually of a chicken, like shredded salsa chicken, and either ground chicken or ground turkey meat with taco seasoning. And I'll have both of those recipes up on my blog, so you can go check that out if you want to find out the recipe that I use for that. And then I go through the rest of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and create different meals based on that shredded chicken and that ground meat. So you see, for Monday, for breakfast, I have English muffins with peanut butter and fruit. And for me, breakfast is not usually one of those meals that I love. I want something that's quick and easy because I'm usually not that hungry. And being a preschool teacher, you have to find things that are quick and convenient and easy to eat. Otherwise, you're not eating. So English muffin with peanut butter and some fruit is a perfect little breakfast for me. Lunch, you'll see I have shredded chicken tacos. And so I'll just have crunchy taco shells and put the chicken with it, put some lettuce, tomatoes. If you want some guacamole, sour cream, Greek yogurt is great with that. And then for dinner, I'll have turkey chili. And you're probably thinking, wait a minute, those are two completely different things. Exactly. So you have the ground turkey already in the fridge, and all you're doing is taking out the turkey you want, adding some vegetables, some tomato sauce, some spices, and you have a completely different meal using that turkey chili. So I make turkey chili, the crackers, and that's Monday. So for Tuesday, I kind of feel like cereal. So I'm going to have a bowl of cereal and some fruit. And then for lunch, I'm going to have a turkey burrito, which is going to have that ground turkey. I'm going to put lettuce, tomato, avocado in like a flour tortilla and have like a burrito for lunch. So again, still using the same meats and vegetables that we have for the week, but changing it up. For dinner, it's shredded chicken salad. So I'm going to have the same lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever you like on your salad. And again, using the chicken you already have, quick, easy meal. You're just adding a few things to something and not re-cooking all of these meals over and over again. And so you can see it kind of continues down. And I'll show you another example. Thursday, blueberry oatmeal, chicken tacos, so the same shredded chicken, and then turkey pasta. So you're taking that ground turkey and adding vegetables, tomato sauce, spices, and pasta to have your pasta. So it's not ever re-cooking anything. It's using what you have, the vegetables, the fruit, everything you need to create your meals. And then Friday, of course, Pizza Friday. Gotta have Pizza Friday. And at the bottom, I always write snacks, and those are the things that I want prepped and ready so I can have snacks, because I feel snacks is just as important as your main breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I always write fruit, vegetables, yogurt, bread, and some kind of snack, whether it be chocolate, cookies, hot Cheetos, pretzels, and then coffee. So I always make sure I write this down, because if I want a special creamer or whipped cream or however you take your coffee, and then I take this list of snacks and check what I already have at home and see if I need anything else. But these are pretty much the staple foods, snacks that I need all the time. And then to make the grocery list, it's simple as going down this list and saying, what do I need for Monday? So I'm going to need English muffins, put it over here. Do you need peanut butter or do you have it? Shredded chicken, you write chicken. Turkey, crackers, you go through and you write every single thing. So you'll see I have English muffin, cereal, almond milk, veggies, and then it's the specific veggies I'm going to want, whether it be for snack, for the pizza, for the pasta, for the salad, for the chili, lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, bell peppers, zucchinis, jalapenos. So all of those vegetables are going to work with all of these different meals. Make sure you have pasta, tomato sauce, yogurt, which is from the snack, fruit. What fruits do you want? Well, I need to make sure I have blueberries for my blueberry oatmeal. I need to make sure to have bananas for my peanut butter banana sandwich. I always like to have frozen fruit to make smoothies. And then grapes are my absolute favorite, so I add those to the list. And then for the main dish, the meat, the protein, you're going to want your salsa, your taco seasoning, your tortillas, your crunchy shells, and of course your meat. So all of this list is going to last me for this whole week, minus some of the snacks, because some of that might last you for several weeks, like the chips or the pretzels or the bread. But then you're able to make a list based on what you're having. So I really feel this helps me be able to have a variety, not eating the same meals, but not cooking the same meals over and over again and eating the same things over and over again, because that gets really boring. And like I said, it triggers that eating disorder in me where I'm not feeling like chicken and potatoes, but that's what I have meal prepped and that's what I'm telling myself I have to have. And then you're not going to enjoy it. You're not going to want it. And the likelihood of then ordering out or getting something else, or for me, having a huge binge out because I'm not eating what I want, really takes meal prepping the normal way out for me. So I've come up with this kind of way to kind of help save on cost by only getting the groceries you need, but then having a variety. And then throughout this journal, I'll take notes throughout the week. What foods did I really enjoy? What vegetables did I wish I could add to the tacos or the pasta that I didn't have? Maybe I need a break from the shredded chicken and I want to do something else. So I'll write down those notes. So next week when I go to create the same list, because I do this every week, I can go back through my notes and say, you know what, for some reason I can't do that shredded chicken right now. So I'm going to switch it up, maybe with some turkey sausages or have more pasta dishes, less tacos, whatever it may be. And it's going to make prepping your food and enjoying your food a lot easier by having this list and then having these notes based on what else you want. Or maybe you see something you're like, I really need chocolate, add it to the list for next week. So I hope this was helpful to kind of get a glimpse into my journal, how I kind of set it up, and hopefully it can help you guys meal prep, but just a little bit differently. So I really hope that was helpful for you guys to kind of see how I make my meals, how I kind of organize it, how I get my grocery list together, and how I kind of meal prep. Because like I said, it's not the normal type of meal prep where I'm making like a big batch of like turkey, rice, vegetables, and having that every single day of the week. But where it is cutting the cooking time down by a lot and having a bunch of different meals that you can have with those main sources of protein. So usually, like I said, I will cook a big thing of chicken, a big thing of ground chicken or ground turkey on Sunday night, and then put it in the refrigerator, take some of it to work, and have different meals throughout the week that work for me. And it's also because with my eating disorder, like I said, eating the same meals every day, I've learned is a trigger for me. But it's also helping me be able to listen to my hunger cues, listen to what I'm actually feeling like. And if I feel like having pasta one night, I know I can make chicken pasta, I can make ground meat pasta, any different kind of thing, and actually listen to my body and my cravings and eat what I enjoy and what I feel like. And that's what's adding to helping with not binging or not feeling like I'm on like a rigid diet because I can't eat the foods that I want. So it took me a few weeks to kind of get into this routine. But once I've done it for a few weeks and now it's been a few months, this has tremendously helped me cut costs by not spending so much on groceries and then just throwing it away, but also really digging in deep on what I need to eat based on what I enjoy, what I'm craving, and what's not going to kind of trigger that disordered eating inside me. And what's also great with this notebook is after I have that list, I'll go through during the week and write down if foods triggered me, if I didn't like something, if maybe I'm tired of shredded chicken. And so when I make my meal prep for the following week, I can say, okay, I'm going to cool it on this shredded chicken and try something else, maybe turkey sausages, ground beef, make turkey burgers or patties, and try to switch it up different. That way it keeps that variety going and it's not adding to the not wanting to eat or that binging because you're not eating what you actually want. So I really hope this was helpful. I really hope you found some ideas, kind of a glimpse into what I eat in a day, the foods I'm eating, the foods I'm buying, and that it can help you no matter what journey you're on to kind of help you prep for the week so we can all keep living our healthy and happiest life and actually enjoy the foods we're eating. Because even if we're trying to lose weight, that shouldn't mean that we're not enjoying the foods that we're eating. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Ring the little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below of your favorite meals or meal prep or what works for you. I'd love to know. And I will talk to you guys all very soon. Bye.